Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive Toyota Rav4 Hybrid Easy Guide. Start by adjusting the seat and mirrors for comfort and clear sight, then familiarize yourself with the hybrid display and EV mode controls. Use gentle throttle inputs to blend electric and gas power smoothly, and practice braking to feel regenerative braking levels. Always follow local traffic laws and keep safety systems like blind spot monitor active while you learn. Learn key controls and dashboard indicators for smooth daily driving. Use the power meter, EV mode indicator, and charge gauge to understand energy flow during trips. Practice parking with the rear camera and sensors, and use brake hold on hills when needed for convenience. Get comfortable with drive modes like Eco and Sport, and observe how acceleration and fuel use change with each setting to pick the best mode for your route. Quick recommendation: if you like keeping cars fresh, try Little Tree's Black Ice as a small, affordable air freshener that makes rides smell great. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and guides. I'll put a link to the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on eco-driving habits to maximize hybrid efficiency and reduce fuel use. Smooth acceleration, steady speeds, and anticipating traffic conserve battery and gas. Use cruise control on highways for consistent economy and avoid heavy loads on short trips. Schedule regular maintenance like tire pressure checks and software updates to keep hybrid systems performing well. Also learn battery warm-up behavior in cold weather and limit repeated hard accelerations to protect system longevity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.